Good evening, traders. We got the NASDAQ 100 futures. Today's date is 12/3. They open at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to take a look at the last sell down to the support level. Now, one thing about the NASDAQ 100 futures, that is going to tell us how the market will gap open up in the morning. And right now, the NQ 100 has a 53-point range. That's all it has right now. They trade 23 hours a day. Now, let's talk about in the morning, we would have the AM Pacific Standard Time when the futures open up early in the morning. And we got the support level down here. We've got the breakout. We've had all-time highs being made. Now, one thing that we really want to make clear to you is we're going to take a look at the daily chart. And we're going to go back to where the NASDAQ 100 had the bull market rally. We called it. You know it. It's on the channel, and you could make a fortune. Now, one thing about it is Tommy Trader will have you in the live trading room where the action is going down right then and there, and how to buy the stocks, knowing when to sell the stocks, and knowing exactly how the market is going to pivot and run. It is a Christmas rally. That is the daily chart. That is a daily consolidation. And at the current level right now at 38.5 to the downside. Once again, when you sign up, you are going to make a lot of money. We have a lot of futures traders, and most important thing, here's what I want to show you. All right, TurboOptionTrading.com website. Let us not forget, home to traders who want to be rich. That's what we do. Most importantly is, on the website, we have a futures menu. And down here, learn how to trade futures. Learn how to trade futures. Here it is, Turbo Option Trading. This is the menu. For you new folks that want to learn, you just simply read what the content tells you, and then, of course, you can go to the YouTube channel. Okay. Just featured a video on newegg.com. And watch this video. You could have made $30,000 in a whip of a snap, and that you could have. So, we want to power what? We want to power your money. Your money goes higher. You feel better. We feel better. Everybody's a winner here. That's what Tommy Trader does at TurboOptionTrading.com. Okay. The futures market right now is going to tell us what the rest of the month of December and the Christmas rally, we called the bottom on October 26th. All you people know it. I know it. And now we need to see you make a ton of money. And that's what we're going to do. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Act today. Get paid today. And don't hesitate. And don't wait. Because if you wait, you're going to miss out. Remember, we're the ones that are going to power your profits. We're going to give you the entry. We're going to let you know when to sell it. Look, anybody can buy anything, but they never know when to buy it at the right price. They never know when to exit the right price. So let's just understand what the futures market does and how the morning will open up and what the Monday trading session will be like. And remember, sign up for the YouTube channel. There are comments there. Post your comments. Interactive is the key to your success. Interactive with the YouTube channel. Take advantage of it. For you new people, for calendar 2024, it's going to be a rocking year, and there's going to be a lot of volatility, and you're always going to know what? The futures market tells you exactly what the volatility will be in the broader markets. Thank you so much for you, and most importantly, your profits.